Introduction. A. The premise of laptop use and its potential health impacts. In our modern world, laptops have become an indispensable tool, facilitating work, communication, and entertainment. However, as laptops rest comfortably on our laps, a discussion has arisen about their potential health impacts, particularly on reproductive health. This exploration delves into these concerns, addressing the premise that extended laptop use, especially when placed on the lap, might have consequences on health and fertility. B. Clarifying that laptops themselves do not contain testosterone-altering properties. It is vital to clarify that laptops, as electronic devices, do not possess the inherent capacity to alter testosterone levels or introduce direct physiological changes in individuals. Instead, the focus should shift towards understanding how laptop usage, specifically in terms of placement and duration, might indirectly influence health factors, including aspects related to hormone levels and reproductive health. This distinction is pivotal in discerning the true nature of potential impacts associated with laptop use. Heat and testicular health. A. Exploring the potential impact of heat on testicles. The human body's temperature regulation is vital for maintaining optimal health and functioning. For males, this extends to the temperature of the testicles, as they are external to the body and slightly cooler than core body temperature. Deviations from this temperature range may have implications for testicular health. B. How laptop use, especially when placed on the lap, can lead to increased scrotal temperature. Laptops, when used on the lap for extended periods, can generate heat. This heat source, when in close proximity to the scrotum, has the potential to elevate scrotal temperature. The proximity of the laptop, along with the heat it emits, may lead to increased scrotal temperatures, potentially affecting testicular health. See, some studies suggest that elevated testicular temperatures can affect sperm production and quality. Several studies have explored the relationship between elevated scrotal temperature and its effects on sperm production and quality. Elevated testicular temperatures, caused by factors like prolonged laptop use or exposure to high temperatures, can potentially impact sperm production and quality, with implications for male fertility. Understanding this connection is crucial for individuals concerned about their reproductive health. Exploring these factors is an essential step in acknowledging the potential health impacts associated with laptop use, particularly concerning reproductive health. While laptops themselves do not contain testosterone-altering properties, their influence on scrotal temperature raises valid questions about the broader consequences of extended laptop usage. Overall health and lifestyle. A. Reminding that overall health, including diet, exercise, sleep, and stress management, significantly influences testosterone levels. It's crucial to emphasize that overall health plays a significant role in determining testosterone levels. Factors such as diet, exercise, sleep, and stress management have a profound impact on hormonal balance. Addressing these aspects of one's lifestyle is essential for maintaining healthy testosterone levels and overall well-being. B. Emphasizing that laptop use should be considered within the broader context of a person's lifestyle and health choices. While the discussion here has focused on laptop use and its potential impact on testicular health, it is vital to underscore that laptops are just one element within the broader context of an individual's lifestyle. Lifestyle choices, including diet, physical activity, stress management, and adequate sleep, all intersect to influence hormonal balance and health. Therefore, laptop use should be viewed as part of the overall picture, where healthy lifestyle choices are paramount for maintaining optimal health and well-functioning hormonal systems. Conclusion. Summarizing the indirect ways in which laptop use can potentially influence aspects of health. In summary, laptop use, particularly when placed on the lap, can indirectly influence aspects of health, including testicular health and hormone levels. The heat generated by laptops may raise scrotal temperatures, potentially affecting testicular health and sperm production. It is essential to be aware of these potential consequences and their implications. Be encouraging individuals to be mindful of their laptop use, maintain good posture, and ensure proper ergonomics. To mitigate potential health impacts associated with laptop use, individuals are encouraged to be mindful of their laptop placement and usage. Ensuring good posture and proper ergonomics can help reduce the heat exposure to the scrotum. These practices contribute to better overall health and well-being. See highlighting the multifaceted nature of factors influencing hormone levels and overall well-being. It's important to recognize that laptop use is just one aspect of a person's lifestyle, and its effects are influenced by a complex interplay of various factors. Overall health, including diet, exercise, sleep, and stress management, significantly influences hormone levels and well-being. Understanding this multifaceted nature allows individuals to make informed choices that promote better health and hormonal balance. In conclusion, while laptop use can have potential indirect effects on health, these impacts should be considered within the broader context of an individual's lifestyle and overall well-being. Awareness and prudent choices in laptop usage, combined with a holistic approach to health, contribute to a balanced and thriving life.